guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing haul of the Kylie Jenner and KKW cosmetics. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys over there so I can open everything, and then we'll go through all the stuff that I bought in more detail. Okay, let's do that. So as you guys can see, the Kylie stuff, I'm trying to make this brighter. Kylie stuff was a lot more personalized. She had the handwritten letters on each one, even though they're just basically probably copy pasted. Then it looks like that. And the box was pink and everything inside was pink, whereas in KKW, her box was just a basic box, but in the inside it had the KKW brand name on it. So that's very addictive on that. I didn't have anything funky going on with my packaging, with like anything that was wrong with it or anything like that, so that was good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I ended up buying. The first, let's start, I'm not even gonna go in any order, but from KKW I got the eyeshadow, oh, I guess it doesn't have a name. The Classic Blossom palettes, and that's what it looks like. I'm gonna be doing a video comparing the both, so you guys can expect that. This is not what I thought it was gonna look like. It looked like there was more shades, but I'm actually impressed by how big the shade colors are. Then from KKW, I also got one of her blushes, and it's in the shade Smoking Belly 1. And this is what the shade looks like on the outside. Okay, so just by looking at the outside, I think I got the wrong shade, because the shade that I got, it looked a lot darker and redder online, but whatever, I guess. And then I got the KKW by Kylie Cosmetics, and it's just their collab between the both of them. I think this one I will open for you guys on the camera when I review the both, unless, oh, here we go. Okay, so I got these shades. And because I'm doing that video, I'm gonna be comparing the lip products and the eyeshadows, so be expecting that. Then from Kylie, I also got a highlighter, and it's in the shade Cheers Darling. And from Kylie as well, I got 4 lip products because they had a sale going on. I think it was buy 2 for the price of 1 or something like that, so I got 4. And these are the shades I got. You guys will see these a lot better in the video I'm going to be filming for you guys. So that's all I'm going to be doing for you guys today, just showing you guys what I got. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.